Add a managed Google Play account using a Microsoft Exchange shared mailbox. Open Microsoft Intune and go to Devices, then select Android. Under Automatic Enrollment, in the Prerequisites section, select Managed Google Play account. Agree to the content and click on Connect Managed Google Play account. Always remember to use your domain email address. An onmicrosoft.com account cannot be used. Initially, I tried using it and it failed. You can follow the same steps shown in the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe, like, and comment.